Hello everyone. Start off by taking some fruit foam net and then roll it up longitudinally. Then tie some thread at one end of it, make multiple of these, join it all together. Next, take some red fruit foam net, tie thread to it and then make it into a ball by trimming the edges. Make a leaf by using some wire and some paper, make multiple of these together, join them all together by adding some wire and some crepe paper together. Next, take some orange square paper, fold it over diagonally multiple times. Now cut out in a curved shape and then cut out multiple pieces of it for different pieces. Then add multiple layers to it and then add leaves. There you have yourself multiple roses. Next, take some purple crepe paper, fold it up diagonally first and then fold upwards the sides as such. Then curve the bottom and then cut it up as such. Take a wire, add multiple layers to it and then add some green paper to it. Next, start off by taking some brown and yellow paper. Add tape on one of the ends, wrap it up in a circular shape and then wrap it around with yellow paper as well. Then surround it with petal-like shapes and then finally add leaves to it. For our next flower, start off by cutting out this petal-like shape, add a yellow center to it and then add many layers around the flower. Then add leaves made out of crepe paper again. You made yourself tulips. Now take this cloth material, add it to a wire and then begin to roll it. Make this bud-like shape. Then take some green crepe paper, roll it up and then make a V-shape cut to the bottom. Once you open it and roll it up, this is what it should look like. Make leaves out of it as well and then attach your flowers to it. Next, take a bottle cap that is circular and then cut out some paper using it as a measure. Take a wire and then arrange it in the circular shape, add a circular piece of cardboard to it and then stick them together on either side. Add a base stem to it as well. Line it with some red thread as such. Once you are done with this, wrap each of the thread pieces around the wires that you have created. Now it should look like an umbrella. Bend it towards the end. Next, take a cloth flower and then add glue to the center to make it stick. Next, take some light pink, join it all together and there you should have yourself. Thank you for watching.